Welcome to Allie in the Valley. I'm Allison Ball Kilmer. Allie in the Valley is a lifestyle blog about healthy, delicious food, all while staying on a budget. Homegrown cooking, down-to-earth living. Welcome back to Allie in the Valley. I hope you're having an amazing beginning of the year. Now we're getting into spring. But the weather here in Los Angeles has been cold and rainy. I guess it's been cold, snowy, rainy. Global warming is a real thing, okay, people? But anyway, getting back to great recipes here at Allie in the Valley. I'm gonna make a quick and easy split pea soup. My split pea soup is really easy. You have the Holy Trilogy: celery, carrots, and onion. So let me cut this up and get it sauteed, and then we'll put the split peas on top. So let's get this onion cut. So let me move this for a minute. I've cut the onion in half because this is the safest way to cut. So, you know, I'm just gonna go along the ridges here, quick, roughly cut up. In the pot, I'm gonna wash up a little bit. So I'm just gonna roughly chop the celery too. Nothing has to be perfect. Nothing I do is perfect. Celery in, boom. Next. Carrots. Then I'm gonna take olive oil. Get them sauteed. A couple bay leaves in here. Oh, my last two. All right. Some thyme. Love this. My favorite herb, one of my favorite herbs. Split pea time. Let's pour some split peas. I'm not gonna use this whole bag. I'm gonna use half the bag. There we go. Then I'm gonna add vegetable broth. Broth in there, because I had so many peas. My split pea soup is done. Now, there's a couple things about split pea soup. It's so easy. You can leave it chunky the way I have it. Some people really like it chunky. Or you could take my, what do you call these, handheld blenders, and you could make it more soupy. It's up to you. Split pea soup, vegan style, no meat in here or anything, but so I'm just gonna plate it up and taste it. Now, you could put sour cream in here, you could put your hot sauce in here, season it the way you like. Some paprika, thyme. And there you go. Your soup's done. Let's try it and make sure it's good. Mix it up a little bit. It's hot though. Okay. This is a great winter. It's been raining in LA, even though I have an orange shirt on and I want the sunshine. Really good. And I need to add a little salt to it for me, personally. Put a little salt in here. You could open to do, if you don't want to do salt, you could do a little lemon juice too. Anyway, I hope you had a fantastic beginning of the year. It is springtime starting to approach. It is March. Split pea soup is perfect when it's raining. You know where you can get the recipe. www.allieinthe.valley. A little salt pricked in. Got a little lime with it. Cheers. Don't forget to subscribe to Allie in the Valley.